Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. It is currently Sunday, November 22nd and BJ and I are getting ready to go out jet skiing. It is currently minus 5 degrees Celsius and it is supposed to warm up to 5 degrees Celsius. So hopefully it's not terribly nasty. I'm assuming that the water is going to be almost frozen or maybe even frozen around the edges, so who knows if we'll even get our skis in the water. Cold weather jet skiing. This is some of the equipment that I've brought with me. Camera equipment, wetsuits, towels, all sorts of fun stuff. At BJ's house we got one of the skis loaded up and a bunch more stuff. Now we're headed to my house to pick up my ski and then to the lake. We might have to rethink this.
A lot of ice.
That's a lot of ice cubes.
Down there looks out in the deep spot.
Alright, we made it to Pine Coulee. There is some ice in the water down that way. I am now going to use my multimeter to check the temperature of the water. It is currently 7.3 degrees outside. The water is measuring 0.6 degrees Celsius with the infrared gun. We'll get a more accurate reading with this. 14 Celsius. Something's not right. That'd be nice if that was accurate.
but I'm warm.
Yeah, you need them.
Woo! They're fucking killing them.
I fell over turning around in your wake and like went in. I'm not cold.
The only thing for me right now, and it's not like it's crazy, my feet.
My feet, my toes and my fingertips are a bit cold.
Yeah. My thumb.
Your thumbs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have the fun waves though.
Yeah. Crazy. At some point I want to try to find the edge of ice.
That should be now then.
What?
That should be now then.
Yeah. If your hands get really cold, you can ride this for a while. It really warms them up. I hope that you guys enjoyed this footage. It was a lot of fun to make. Probably not the smartest thing that we've ever done, but as you can see, we made it home alive. Our equipment is quite outstanding. The only thing that gave me any trouble whatsoever was my toes. BJ had a little bit of trouble with his fingers because he doesn't have heated handlebars. I mean, why wouldn't you have heated handlebars? Anyway, there is more footage to come from this same day, and I will be releasing that soon, so stay tuned for that. That's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.